Alright, so I'm installing the solar motion light, and I want to get a little bit of sunlight, so I'm up under the eaves here, so I'm going to bring it down about 2 boards, or 3 I guess, and put it in right about here. Alright, so I'm just going to drill a couple holes right in the middle if I can. Oh, let's switch hands in, shall we? Let me get some pilot holes so I know where I'm at. And then drill the other ones in there. And one more. Alright. Now that I got those, I'm just going to drill them a little bit deeper. Okay. Now that I have those pilot holes drilled, I'll go ahead and install this. Unscrew those in there. Come on. Let's see if I can see here, but maybe you guys got a better view than me. Not really. Let's try to get that centered. There we go. Sorry about that. All right, let's do this. Second hole right there. Maybe I'll just drill this, just screw this in there. Back it out so I got my holes pretty much ready to go. Alright, that should be easy now. Okay, there's 2. Here's the 3rd one coming in. Okay, and one more. Should be plenty sturdy. Okay, go ahead and tighten these down. Last one. All right, good to go. Now that we have that on there, just simply slide this our solar light under there. It's got a couple little screws that we can screw on in the bottom there. So I'm going to go get my other screwdriver real quick. 1 second. Alright, it has these 2 little screws that came with it. I'm going to screw those up into the back part if I can. Hopefully don't drop the screw like that. Tough angle here. not an easy angle there, that's for sure. My goodness. Okay. We got one more to go. If you got a magnetized screwdriver, that would help. This is pretty close right there. Isn't that pretty good? Go ahead and tighten that other screw down. And hopefully that'll give us enough exposure to the light there in the morning. So there we have it, my friends. I will be doing, a review when I'll have to come out here tonight and see if that's working or not. Check it out, and definitely then tomorrow morning it should get enough light. If I'll move it back a little bit so you guys can see. So there's the eaves, and then I just kind of exposed it a little bit under there so we can get some light on that solar panel in the morning, hopefully to charge it enough to last all night. So there we go. Thanks for watching this install, and I'll be checking out the solar light later on. Well, here's the light. So as you can see, works pretty good here. This whole front yard used to be all dark, but now it's brightened up pretty good. It throws out quite a bit of light, so I'm pretty happy with that. And I guess it just stays on at night and then goes off during the daytime when it recharges with the sunlight. So I kind of like that it's not just a motion sensor, but just stays on. It's pretty nice. It might have an adjustment too. Notice when I hit the power button, it like flashes and stuff. So little button right here. You can turn it on, and it flashes 3 times, and then or 2 times and stays on. But yeah, pretty happy with the light it puts out. Seems to do a good job. There we go. So, alright, let's go to the final review. Okay, my friends, final thoughts on this 60 LED solar light. You saw the install, not really that bad, just a few minutes to install. Pretty easy, actually. I'm not sure if it's fully charged or not, so reading the instructions again, when you turn it on, it's supposed to come on, obviously, but then it'll go down to 30%, and then when it senses motion, it's supposed to come up to 100%, and then after 30 seconds go back down to 30% brightness again or whatever, and just remain on like that. I didn't have it in full light for a whole day or whatever. When I was installing it was kind of in the evening, so I'm thinking that's why maybe it didn't appear to get brighter, or not when I was showing you the outside shot of it in the dark there. But either way, I'm pretty happy with the amount of light it's putting out, because right now the yard there in the front, it used to be like all dark. You couldn't really see anything, but now that light, it puts out enough light you can see it's illuminated. You're not going to have anyone hiding in the bushes or something like that. So I'm pretty happy with that. I think it will be brighter tomorrow when it gets like a full 5 or 6 hours of sunshine there. So pretty cool little light. As always, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. You can check it out. It runs about $31. Check it out on Amazon there if you guys want. Pretty happy with it. Install was quick and easy. It should last. The battery says the battery will last about 5 years or so. So not bad at all. All right, thanks for watching this review, everyone. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time out there.